And who else doesn't want to have a blinged out hot comb? Hey sisters, I am Kendra K. I am a new uprising beauty influencer. Filming my very first YouTube video on how to achieve these very luxurious 28-inch long crimps. And I will be showing you step by step how to achieve this look, but be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my new channel. This is a 28-inch water wave wig from my line Kendra's Collections. It's 3 bundles and 1 frontal transparent lace. This lace is very good. I will put the link in the bio so you guys could shop with me and get right and indulge in your inner Baddie unapologetically. This Crimp and iron in the description below. And as for the heat protector, I purchased it from my local beauty supply store. You can try Walmart or Target. Make sure you section your hair off and allow each crimp to sit there for a little bit and not too long. Wherever you ended the last crimp, that's where you begin the next crimp. Oh, now I'm in the middle section of my hair, and I just continually just section my hair and add product to it just so it can keep that little bounce, keep that little silk, you know what I'm saying? So now the next clip that I'm going to show is going to be fast forwarded, and basically I'll be done crimping my hair, and then we'll go into the next section of how to get your bomb installed. I'm about to do my baby hairs. So I did it for the most part yesterday before I started to film because I wanted them to have a certain look. So I'm going to get my mousse. This is going to probably be the best part for the girls. So I'm gonna apply a little bit, not too much, not something too overwhelming. I'm gonna use my pretty pink edge control brush, and we're going to just swoop that in. Get that on my eyebrow. Okay. I'm gonna do I have this hot comb which is available in my bio. It gets super hot, and who else doesn't want to have a blinged out hot comb? I'm just gonna press this out, and it also comes with a cute little kickstand so that way you're not burning the table, whatever you're putting this hot comb on. So this will be available on my website, and it gets extremely hot. See that heat? See that heat? Okay, so just press it out, and I just really focus on pressing this part out right there, and then other side, press out this side. Okay, so we are finally done crimping. So this is the final look